Belgium 2-5 in the semi-final to play for bronze now. CBSE 10th result 2021 likely to release by noon today at cbseresults.nic.in. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to Elite News. I am Himawati Khungwantawong giving you the news and updates for the day. The Indian men's hockey team suffered a defeat at the hands of Belgium in the semi-final match of the ongoing Tokyo Olympics today. Belgium beat India 5-2 in which the Belgium team converted penalty corners into goals. After the game, Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted, "Victory and defeat are part of life. Our men's hockey team at the Tokyo Olympics did their best and that's what matters." The Indian men's hockey team will now play for the bronze medal at the ongoing Tokyo Olympics. In spite of the total curfew imposed in the state by the state government, increase in road rage has been witnessed today. Many vehicles, including private vehicles, both 2- and 4-wheelers to heavy vehicles, were seen plying in the heart of Imphal city. Mention may be that state government had been imposing total curfew in the state from the 18th of July till date to curb the second wave of COVID-19. In spite of all this, the roads were busier today than the usual curfew days. With the report of high traffic, police checking seemed to be reduced at places of Imphal city. As of now, reports on further extension of curfew by the state government are still not known. The All Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMJU) extended monetary assistance to the family of late Imphal Times staff reporter Lairenjam Bijain today. Scribe Bijain passed away on 24 July 2020 due to COVID-19 at RIMS Hospital. Bijain was the eldest son of late L. Muhindro of Sagolban Tera Sapam Leirak. He is survived by his wife and daughter. In an unfortunate incident, a house located at More Hainumakong Laikai gutted in fire broke out in today's wee hour around 12:40 am. According to a report, the ill-fated house belongs to one Leshangtem Sana. Localities of the ill-fated house immediately called Manipur Fire Service of More Right and jointly worked on to put out the fire. The cause of the fire still remains unknown. Unfortunately, many valuable items of the ill-fated house and shop owned by Leshangtem Sana were gutted down in the fire. More police team has begun an investigation of the incident, the report said. COVID Task Force Sekta Apunba Mayai Loishang Social Supporting Club and Sekta Apunba Mairapaibi distributed essential items to COVID-19 affected families today. Essential items which include cooking oil, pulses, eggs, potatoes, etc. were distributed to the 29 families of 16 COVID positive people that are under the containment zone. Co-convener of the COVID Task Force added that further aid will be provided to the COVID affected families. Now it's time for a short break. Please stay tuned.
Saraswati Charitable Trust, BSc Forensic Science, BE Cybercrime Security, Diploma in Pharmacy, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc Radio Imaging Technology, BSc Operation Theatre Technology, Diploma in MLT, RIT, ODT, Dialysis Tamnabagidamak, Manipuri Mapanda Chatrabasu Yaragani. Manipur University da affiliate Tauduna, Pharmacy Council of India Amadi, Ministry of HRD, New Delhi approved Tauraba, 100% job oriented Oiraba, Saraswati Charitable Trust Pangaida, course Singasi, English Singani Kunmathoi Kunithoi session the Tamnabagidamak admission Hojare. Hena Kupamor Gidama contact Tobio, Saraswati Charitable Trust Pangai, Ikogi contact number 9856 575 163 Natraga 9402 233 554.
You are the future. School, a place where your future is carved. Exploring new ideas, spacious classrooms equipped with smart boards, well-stocked library, expression in art, educating young minds, even making stronger. This is where you start, cause it all begins with you. UNACO School, excellence in education.
Admission open. Kindergarten Montessori School Sagobal Takil Kolom Laikai Infal West ki Class 11 Science amadi Arts ki Academic Session 2021 ki admission hausare. School asi angang sing na mahai masing tambagidi yam na mapam saraba ing na chikna lairaba school amani. Jahi kudingi afava satra satri kaya puthokpagi damak Asia Today na Best Public School with Academic Excellence in Manipur P2 na ikai kumna kraba school amasuni. Satra sing na online class yawbada hena kudong chana bagi damak 60% and above setpa Satra Singda 4G tablet asi ahanba admission tauba Satra chani fawada khudong chaba pizagani. Masiga iroinana chatliva session 2021-22 asigi class nursery dagi class 9 fawagi admission taubi hauduna amadi anoba admission taubi ningba singsu 4G tablet fawagi khudong chaba pizagani. Hena akupa marol gidama Principal Kindergarten Montessori School Sagobal Takil Kolom Laikai Infal West Tanabiu. Contact number 9366167165 natraga 9366412934.
Welcome back to Elite News. More news and updates. Unknown miscreant has kidnapped a cement truck driver yesterday around 9 p.m. from Kaifundai area along Imphal-Jiri Road under Tausem subdivision. According to report received by ELITETV, the driver identified as 58-year-old Jamir of Barkandi, Kasar. No traces of the truck driver and the cement truck have been found. Police teams are on the search of the missing driver and the truck, the report said at the time of filing this report. Speculations are rife that the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE may declare the much-awaited 10th results 2021 at noon today on the official website cbseresults.nic.in, cbse.gov.in. Similar to Class 12, the board is likely to announce the date and time for the Class 10 result hours before the declaration of the final marks. Students and parents are advised to keep an eye on the official Twitter handle of the CBSE headquarters, as the board would be announcing the date and time for the CBSE Class 10 result 2021 there. In the wake of the pandemic, the board has cancelled all the exams this year and has evaluated students on the basis of internal assessment. It has also come to our notice that the result has been declared now, and parents and guardians can check the result on the official websites cbseresults.nic.in or cbse.gov.in. While the state is still struggling to surpass COVID-19 death rate despite enforcing stricter curbs, 12 persons have been reported dead from COVID virus in a single day, taking the death toll to 1,578, while 541 persons, including 279 females from the general population, were detected as new positive cases out of 4,271 samples tested, recording a positivity rate of 12.67%. As of yesterday, 1,120 persons were discharged after recovering from the viral infection, as discharged cases exceeded daily positive cases for the 4th day in a row. As per COVID-19 Common Control Room, the positive persons were tested at RIMS 26, Jenims 18, district hospitals 526 and other testing centers 171. The positive cases from the general population are from Imphal East 119, Imphal West 100, Thoubal 49, Bishnupur 55, Kakching 55, Ukhrul 1, Churachandpur 55, Chandel 8, Senapati 20, Tamenglong 23, Teknopal 10, Jiribam 5, Noni 6, Kamjong 2 and Kangpokpi 25. All necessary medical precautionary measures like containment and contact tracing are in place. The state-level COVID-19 deaths audit committee reported 12 deaths in the last 24 hours. Now, before we wind up for the day, let's have a quick look at the headlines once again. India men's hockey team loses to Belgium 2-5 in the semi-final to play for bronze now. CBSE 10th result 2021 likely to release by noon today at cbseresults.nic.in. And that's all for this afternoon. Have a great day.